Hey there guys, welcome back. Today we'll see print function. Print function is the most commonly used function of any language. The print function prints the given object to the standard output device or to the text stream file. Standard output device is screen that we see, okay? And text stream file is a normal text file, okay? So it can print on the output screen or on any file. The print function has following parameters. Objects. These are the object to be printed. There can be more than one object to be printed, right? The second parameter is sep. This means separator. The objects we print, these are separated by sep. The default value of sep is single white space. The third parameter is end. It specifies what to print at the end of the line. The default value of end is /n, that is new line. The fourth parameter is file. This is an object with a write method and its default value is sys.stdout. The fifth and last parameter is flush. It is a Boolean specifying if the output is flushed or buffered. Default value is false. If we pass true, then the output will be flushed, and if we pass false, then the output will be buffered. We will see all these parameters in detail as we move through this section. Now let's see how print function works. Making a new folder in Python's folder, 15 print. We can call print function directly and it will directly print whatever is passed in it. So let's see. Making new example, a.py and print. We can pass any object. Let's say we pass any int, that is 21. And let's run. See, 21 is printed. It is simple. Whatever we pass in print function, it will print it. Print 11.09, print true, print test in string, print 2 plus 9j. Okay, we are passing int, float, boolean, string and complex. So there is no issue, it will print all of these. Let's see, running a.py. See, in the output, everything is printed as it is, okay, and in sequential manner, right? Now let's pass some sequence. Print list 1, 2, 3, 4. Print tuple 2, 4, 7, 8. And print set 23, 14, 65. So print function will print all of them, okay? There will be no exception. Let's see, running a.py. See, we are getting everything, okay? Instead of passing the data directly in print function's parameter, we can pass some variable. So let's see, making new example, b.py. Let's say x is equal to 2 and print x. Let's see, running b.py. See, we are getting value of x, that is 2. We can pass any expression in print function. So let's see, making new example, c.py. And print, let's say 2 plus 1 into 6. And running c.py. See, first the expression is resolved and then it is printed on the console, okay? So 6 into 1, 6 plus 2, 8, okay? BODMAS rule is applied here. Now making new example, d.py and print will not pass any parameter here. Okay, so let's see what it will return. Running d.py. See, we are getting nothing, no error, nothing. Notice just a new line is added here, right? So if we don't pass any argument in print function, then it will just print a new line. Okay, this is the default behavior of print, right? Now new example, e.py. So suppose we have these print statements. This techno will be printed as it is, and these no arg prints, these will add a new line after techno. So here we have 7 prints without arguments, so 7 new line will be printed, and after that we have print teachings. So after 7 lines, teachings will be printed. Let's see, running e.py. See, we are getting techno and then 7 new lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then teachings. Okay, so if we want to add new line in our code anywhere, we can just write print without arguments. Okay, now let's see new example, f.py. Here we have an expression inside print 2 plus 3 into 8. Let's see, running f.py. Okay, the expression is resolved. 8 into 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Okay, by BODMAS rule. And now let's say we have print inside string test space into 2. In this expression, we have all the operands as integers, but here we have a string multiplied by an integer. So let's see what it will return. Running f.py. Look, we are getting test 2 times. So test multiplied by 2 will give test 2 times. So any string multiplied by that number will print that string that number of times. Okay, means if we have test into 3, then we'll get test 3 times. See, look, we are getting test 3 times. And here we have space, so space is printed as it is. Okay, now new example, g.py. Here we have an input function. Input, enter any number, and I'll pass this inside print. So here this input function will wait for user to enter any number, and then this print function will print that number, right? So let's see, running g.py. Look, this is waiting for us to enter anything. So we can pass, let's say 34, and press enter. See, 34 is printed. Okay. Now making new example, h.py. We can pass multiple objects inside print. So let's see, print. We'll pass multiple strings here, and we'll separate all these by commas. So Python, Java, JavaScript. Okay, and notice here inside string we only have alphabetic characters. We don't have any white space. See? Now let's see what it will print. Running h.py. See, we are getting Python space Java space JavaScript. So inside string we haven't provided any spaces. So how these spaces are coming? We'll see this in the next video. So see you there. Bye bye.